Good morning everyone. Today we have Aditya with us. He has finished his level 2. Today he is going to do table of 70 to up to 50 length. Start.
72, 144, 216, 288, 360, 402, 504, 576, 648, 720, 792, 864, 936, 1008, 1080, 1152, 1224, 1296, 1368, 1440, 1512, 1584, 1656, 1728, 1800, 1872, 1944, 2016, 2088, 2160, 2232, 2304, 2376, 2448, 2520, 2592, 2664, 2736, 2808, 2880, 2952, 3024, 3096, 3168, 323, 3240, 3312, 3384, 3456, 3528, 3600.
Very good.